Now, if you are a dedicated follower of this channel, and I know there's a lot of those,
I don't.
then you know we love crazy builds, wackadoodle cars, hat cars, all that kind of stuff. But this time we're going to talk about how to do Lemons the simple way, keep it real basic, and still become a staff Lemons favorite. We're well aware that the theme portion of Lemons can be a bit challenging if you're one of those real racer types.
Dale Earnhardt never dressed up in no costume.
I'm not here to wear a costume, I'm here to win!
I care much more about quarter wedding than I care about having a good time and making other people smile.
But here's a team from the Gulf region that came up with a really simple, really clever theme, amateur sketch racing.
Some people in the Crichton area of Mobile say a leprechaun is taking up residence in their neighborhood.
This amateur sketch resembles what many of you say the leprechaun looks like.
Yeah, their theme just takes elements from that viral news report years ago about the Mobile, Alabama leprechaun. You know, stuff like, I want the gold.
I want to go.
Could be a crackhead.
Could be a crackhead.
Who here seen a leprechaun say yeah?
Who else seen the leprechaun say yeah?
Yeah, and tying it all together is, of course, the amateur sketch.
This amateur sketch resembles what many of you say the leprechaun looks like.
The car itself follows a similar idea of keeping things simple. The team captain Barrett wanted a rear-wheel drive manual transmission sports car with easy-to-find parts. So he did a little internet digging and found a machine that ticked off all of those boxes and had T-tops as a bonus. Of course, it was a 96 Chevy Camaro with the 3800 V6 and a T55 speed.
Mods are super minor. It's got some 17-inch wheels from a Z28, it's got bigger sway bars, it's got the whole diff and rear axle from a Z28, including the hot brakes. Engine is stock except for some headers and an accumulator.
And the subject of the engine, of course, it's a V6, which, in my opinion, helps the team achieve their goal of, quote, being an anti-Camaro Camaro. And what that means, according to Barrett, is being a responsible person and yet still drive a Camaro.
That's actually something we've seen over and over and over. It's just if you bring a pony car with a V6, you have a way higher chance of finishing and not being a total douche as the same people who bring the car with a V8.
And amateur sketch racing usually does finish with minor issues. There was this one in 2024.
Going nowhere, going nowhere.
But the team came back strong the next year to take its first Class B win with a 13th place overall finish.
So while we love to see really over-the-top themes and stuff like that, sometimes keeping it really simple and basic just works great. Who here has seen a class winner? Say yeah!
Anybody see the Class B winner say yeah? Yeah! Oh yeah. Okay, so this is a very exciting time to see.
Every second you don't subscribe or watch one of these videos, another Vega is sent to the crusher. Won't you help us save Classic?